Hi, this is John Hopkins with Suncor Outdoors again, back out here at the Williamson project. This is a new pool construction, approximately 1 year old. This bar stool is approximately 6 inches below water grade. You really want them close to 18 inches so you're sitting in chest deep water while you're watching TV up at your bar. So all these stools have to be cut down and rebuilt to make them fit the right height. If you walk over here with me, you take a look at a bench, you'll notice the bench is sitting right at 18 inches to water height. Water height is 3 inches above the bottom of the tile, and air is 3 inches from the top to the middle of the tile. As we come across here, you're going to notice pretty poor job of doing the flagstone. Nothing was ground, poor selection of stone. It's already starting to flake off. You can see it where it wasn't done. You got big gaps underneath. When you're swimming, you see all this. As you come down this way, you'll notice it looks real wavy. It should have been ground, rounded off. But again, a bad selection of stone. You'll see here on the corner, big chunks missing. As you come down this way, this rock beam, not to pick on it, it just wasn't a very quality job. It was lack of execution and probably supervision. I know when you're paying this kind of money for pools, this is not what you're wanting to see in a completed product.